What's up, you guys?
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Matt.
And my name's Adi, and in this video, we're going to be packing for our incredible trip to Costa Rica.
And this is just the beginning of our series, so make sure you're subscribed so you can follow our vlogs from start to finish for this trip.
You're not going to want to miss it. We're going to be posting a new video every Sunday night, Eastern Standard Time, so stay tuned and follow along for more.
You got this. We are backpacking. We're not even going to bring any suitcases at all. As you can see, we're packing pretty light. We're going to be doing some swimming because there's a beach and a pool there. And then it is going to be this one's birthday. So I do have some pants and maybe one nice outfit. But we will mostly be walking around in the rainforest looking for animals. And it is going to be in the 80s. So I'm going to be bringing shorts, t-shirts, rain jacket, and just very light and ready to cover a lot of ground.
Absolutely. We're going to be wearing our ponchos, probably pants because of the bug. All right, let's get the pants in there.
Start packing some of this up. Important to bring a plastic bag so you can put all your dirty clothes in it, especially the wet clothes, and then just tie it up and bring it back, throw it in the same backpack when we come back.
That's wicked good.
This is kind of like an eco lodge too, so we're going into the heart of the rainforest. There's not much around there outside of the resort itself. And because of that, though, we're going to see insane wildlife. It's pretty much an untouched rainforest.
I don't want to give away too much, but we are actually going to be staying at one of the world's only blue zones. A blue zone is a majority of people living to be over 100. It's just a healthier way of life or area that they're living in. I'm assuming it's going to be a much slower lifestyle, so that's definitely less stressful and can definitely have an impact on health.
Yep. And this specific part of Costa Rica is on the northwest part of the country, right on the ocean. And this spot in Costa, which is the whole region, has one of the highest populations of leatherback turtles. So there's tons of videos all over their Instagram of like people seeing at night hundreds of them, little ones walking to the water, or there's certain times of the year where you see the big mama laying the eggs. This time of year specifically, it's just getting to the end of the hatching season. So we're pretty hopeful that we'll at least see one of those little guys running for the water.
I'm really hoping. I know we're going to see so much wildlife, but I'm hoping we see some turtles. We are so excited. The countdown is on and there's only 5 more hours till our flight.
Yes, time to get some sleep.
See you guys tomorrow.
Peace.